Welcome to Not Just Carrots by My Eye Doctor. I'm Dr. Artis Beatty from Raleigh, North Carolina.
I'm Dr. Amanda Steele, also from Raleigh, North Carolina. We've all heard that carrots are healthy for our eyes, but did you know that there are many other foods that you can incorporate into your diet that are also great for your vision?
Today we are featuring turkey burgers with avocado crema. Turkey is rich in calcium, zinc, and B vitamins, all of which contribute to keeping your eyes healthy and your vision sharp. We are very excited to share this recipe with you. Let's get grilling. Check out My Eye Doctor's YouTube channel to see other recipes we've posted.
And be sure to also check out My Eye Doctor's blog, where you can find all of our delicious recipes.